Hey friends, in this video I will talk about 3 great lessons I've learned from watching the greatest Ali Abdaal for around 3 years. Welcome back to my channel, I'm Maxi and I help you being successful as a student. So I will walk you through these 3 lessons as I think they can be very helpful for you as a student, and by telling them here you do not have to go back and watch the last 3 years of Ali Abdaal's content. Lesson number 1, study effectively. This is a great lesson and a lesson that I also try to tell you with some of my videos. As studying effectively with the methods of active recall, spaced repetition and the respective revision timetable will get you better results, it will keep you motivated as you will make better progress in less time, and you will have a lot more time to do what you really enjoy. Lesson number 2, enjoy the journey. Enjoying the journey is super important to stay happy in life. As with the goals you set yourself, which you think will make you happy, are usually not the end goals. So when you reach this goal, you won't be happy because there is a higher goal afterwards. So you should focus on enjoying the journey towards the goal and, for example, make studying as fun and frictionless for the A-levels as afterwards there will still come like a bachelor degree, for example. Lesson number 3, there is no such thing as I do not have time. This phrase was super important to me as it helped me to really think about what I spend my time on and start prioritizing things. As Ali's phrase means that there is always time, but you might say to yourself that you do not have time for it, but instead you are just prioritizing something else. So you should really think about your goals in life and which priorities in time management should be set to actually reach these goals. I really hope these 3 lessons will improve your life as a student and save you some time, as you do not have to watch all the content from Ali Abdaal but still get the incredible value. If you like this video, you might also want to check out my video about active recall, which helps you to study effectively and by that take advantage of lesson number 1 of this video. This active recall video will be linked in the video description and also up here. Please leave a like and subscribe to not miss out on future videos. See you in the next one.